Hello guys, and welcome to Sanny's Escape. If this is your first time viewing one of our videos, I just want to say thank you. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Now let's just dive right into this week's video. So this week's video, I will be sharing some Jamaican alcohol with you guys. Some of them, for example, this one, rum cream, I have never tried before myself. And others, I have had them, but I just want to share them with you guys. So yeah, let's just get into it. So I poured myself some rum cream. This is one that I have never had before, as I said earlier. It wouldn't be so popular if it wasn't good. So I'm gonna try it. Wish me luck. Alright, here goes. I don't know if I should take it as like a shot or just like a little sip. It smells good though. Smell like alcohol. Duh. All right. Oi. This tastes good. It tastes like creamy and nice, but at the same time, when you swallow it, you can feel like the alcohol like licking your chest. Yeah. I like it. This is good. Ooh, it's strong. I mean, it's so creamy and nice. Wow. All right. Magnum, no. They say that this gives you energy. So if you need some energy boost, just get a Magnum. So next time you visit Jamaica, ask for a Magnum. Alright, so I've had this before, so this will not be a first time reaction video. Yeah, Magnum, it's not too strong. Like, people in Jamaica drink Magnums like water, honestly. So yeah. Yeah, it tastes like a really light wine. Like, it's not strong. I mean, I guess if you have too much, you can get like a little buzz. But I think the main purpose for it is to give, you know, that extra boost. The authentic Jamaican red label wine, Ray and Nephew. Yes, I've never had it before, but it's very popular. And just like the rum cream, if it's popular, I would assume it's for a good reason. But I'm gonna tread lightly with this one because I feel like it's kind of strong. Let's see. Smells strong. It just tastes like, it tastes strong, it tastes harsh, it just tastes like one nice smooth wine. Like, that's it. It's just smooth. Not too, not too strong on your chest. Yeah, it tastes alright. Not my number one pick, but it tastes alright. Sorrel red stripe beer and sorrel, combining them to create one great beverage. First of all, I didn't even know that this existed, but let's see if I like it. So it's beer and sorrel mixed together. And if you don't know what sorrel is, it's basically a Christmas drink in Jamaica. Even if you don't drink it all year, when Christmas time come, everybody drinking sorrel. So they mixed it with red stripe beer, which is also popular in Jamaica. So let's see. Wow, that tastes good. Wow, it tastes like juice. Tastes really good. So red stripe beer and sorrel mixed together. Wow, it tastes really good. I wasn't expecting it to taste good, honestly. And if I didn't like it, I was gonna give my opinion. But it tastes so good. Great mix. All right, guys, there you have it, another video down. I would like to thank you guys for watching until the end. I really appreciate it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, more sooner or later, walk good.